你好, in this week's video, we are going to look at something really fun. Well, at least I think it's fun. I like reading description of different signs. Sometimes I find it really accurate. It's almost scary. Anyway, let's look at different Chinese signs and how to say them in Mandarin Chinese. And if you don't mind sharing, I would love to know your Chinese zodiac sign in the comments. To find your Chinese zodiac sign, you look at your date of birth. That's why next to every sign, you're going to see the year and then also a range of dates, birth dates. 鼠、牛、虎、兔、龙、蛇。If you want to learn Chinese characters, make sure to check out our Chinese Characters for Beginners, a step-by-step systematic practice workbook. Check the link in the description. 马、羊、猴、鸡、狗、猪。If you want to improve your Chinese through fun stories, make sure to check out our Chinese level readers. We have stories from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6.